Laura and Jacob, you came here today as individuals, and you will leave here as partners. Is it your intent to take each other's hand in marriage, facing life's triumphs and trials together as spouses? It is.
It is.
It is.
We were young, so in love. We would talk till the dawn, staring up at the moon. All the stars were in bloom.
Laura and Jacob met a decade ago in an 8 a.m. string techniques class at the University of Texas. While most students in an 8 a.m. class barely have their eyes open, Jacob's eyes opened wide as Laura entered the classroom. They were both assigned to play the violin, and Laura tried to sit in the back, because according to her, she was not very good at the violin, though I suspect this was just modesty. Jacob, being the smart man he is, guilted her into sitting next to him in the front row. Some might call this persistence, but those who know Jacob might call it Jacob being Jacob. A friendship blossomed that would eventually turn into a first date on October 1st at Lady Bird Lake, and culminate in a romantic proposal in Venice 9 years later.
Okay, I'm walking to you.
Like a dream, like an
Hello. You look great. You look beautiful.
How's the hair, right? We got the bow.
Oh, you got the bow. I like the earring.
I know that this is gonna sound really dramatic, but you changed my life. I felt stuck and overwhelmed by the thought of trying to crawl out of the darkness I was in. But you kept reaching out your hand. You never gave up on me, even those times where I tried to hide under the covers and disappear or run away.
Laura Lee, when we first met, I had no idea what journey we would take together. We have seen so much, and we'll see so much of life together again. I promise to love and cherish you and us. I vow to put us first, even when it is hard. And I forever will be by your side, and you mine. We will grow old together, grow young together, forever together, you and me.
We've been up, we've been down, lost our grip, nearly drowned. Said some things we didn't mean, felt the space grow in between.
They both have similar personalities and complement each other very well. We appreciate your shared enthusiasm for fitness, musical arts, hiking, travel, and your love of animals, particularly the 4 cats you currently own. Impressively, you both have endured 7 moves across 5 states together.
Both of you have built a very strong relationship going into marriage.
Jacob skillfully persuaded Laura Lee to consider some of the proposed moves by presenting the location advantages through a PowerPoint presentation. Jacob, I know you're going to be a wonderful lifelong partner for Laura Lee.
You are my only one. You have all my heart.
I love how you push me to be a better person every day. I love how you call me out on my shit so I can own up to it, even if it's a few hours later. I love that you always listen to me when I need advice or a sounding board, but you also encourage me to seek self-care in other ways. I love that each day, each month, and each year with you is an adventure. I love that you have such deep passions and aspirations and that you inspire me to keep growing and learning. I love that along with you comes an entire family of people who make me feel instantly at home and that I have a big support system to rely on.
Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade, 'cause you are my only one.
Laura and Jacob, having proclaimed your love and commitment to each other, and by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
It's clear the love and values Jacob carries with him come from a family who truly knows the meaning of love, respect, and support. We are thrilled to continue growing bonds, building traditions, making memories, and supporting our children on this incredible journey.
Always wondering where your heart is, always looking for a way to break out. So close to it, close
I've always known that you were it for me, not just because of our romantic chemistry, but because you're my absolute best friend. I have loved each and every day we've spent together and how we can talk for hours, how we have our own secret language and never run out of things to say. And I'm so excited to continue this journey of life with you at my side.
Tonight, we toast, and here's to us. But most of all, Laura Lee, I love you like a laurel tree. Kisses, Jakes.
God, that's so cute. You kept it. Oh my God.
I wouldn't trade anything for this. I can't imagine a better feeling. I wouldn't trade anything for it, 'cause
I see a life filled with whoops, joy and occasional adventure and excitement after what they've been through and what they've lived already.
Cheers to the happy couple and welcome to the family.